everyone, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a massive candle haul from Bath & Body Works. And today I am wearing the blue liquid lipstick as eyeliner again. So if you haven't checked out that video, please check out my video for tips and tricks on how to use liquid lipstick as eyeliner. Before I get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So a little bit of background on Candle Day. Once a year, Bath & Body Works has a massive sale on their candles, and in the past they've been $10 or $11 Canadian, but this year they were actually $12, which is still better compared to their regular prices, which I believe have gone up to $30. Let me see if it says on here, actually. It doesn't say the full price on here, but I have heard that they are $30 now. And of course $30 is just way too much for me to spend on candles, so the only day that I buy Bath & Body Works candles is on Candle Day. I absolutely refuse to buy them any other time of year, so I like to go on Candle Day and go like hard and buy all the candles that I need for basically the entire year until the next Candle Day. Candle Day is normally around December, so it is December 4th today, and it's going today and tomorrow. The only way to find out about Candle Day is to be either on their Instagram or on their email list, and I'm on both. And they didn't announce Candle Day until very late last night, so it's something that you have to like jump on quick. Like you have to expect that it's coming and then be ready for when they announce it. So because I didn't know it was coming this week, I did just buy some Glade candles. So I'm going to haul these as well and just show you what I got. The first Glade candle is called Berry, Merry and Bright. And this is a limited edition Christmas candle, and it smells like berries. Yeah, like it's just like a true berry smell, but there's almost like a little bit of pine or something that smells very Christmassy in there as well. So this is a really nice one. I also got this candy cane cheer one, just because that's such a classic Christmas scent. Ah, yeah, and it's actually mint, but also a little bit of vanilla. And then I actually currently have one of the three going because they were 3 for $10. And this one was some sort of pine Christmas one, and it's amazing. It smells so good. Like it really like brings the whole Christmas mood throughout my entire apartment with just this one little candle. So I'm really impressed with this little Glade one, and I'm probably going to buy more of this one for sure. I might even just buy 3 of this one. You can get these Glade candles at Walmart for 3 for $10. Okay, I'm ready to start getting into the Bath & Body Works candles. So I'm just going to pick up what I got and tell you. So this first one is Berry Spritzer. And this one is actually a gift for a friend of mine. She was in our group chat, and my sister-in-law said that Candle Day was happening, and I asked her if she was going to go, and she just laughed because we all went at 5:30 in the morning. No, we woke up at 5:30 in the morning to get there for 6 in the morning, which is when the store opened. So we were all just like so tired waiting in line to buy candles, and there was actually a lot of people there at 6 in the morning. So she was just not about that life, but she said pick her up a berry candle. So I got her Berry Spritzer. And it's actually really nice. It smells nothing like Berry, Merry and Bright. Like this one's much more like pine. This one, it almost smells like very light and airy. It's like, it does have that like spritzer, like almost citrus, yeah. So it's like berry mixed with citrus, whereas this is more like berry mixed with pine. So I hope she likes it. That is the one I got for her. The packaging is really cute and Christmassy. I might Christmas wrap it for her even though she knows it's coming. Okay, next we have Winter. This is my January candle. It was actually recommended by Jaclyn Hill in one of her videos, and I didn't really think I'd be into it by how she described it, but because she mentioned it, I smelled it in the store, and I was like, yeah, I think I do like this actually. Okay, so it says it smells mostly like evergreen with a hint of peppermint. Yeah, that's right. It does. It's like a little bit of pine, like kind of balsamy scent, but there's like a little bit of Christmas twist to it. Like it reminds me of trees covered in snow. And it's just such a beautiful scent, and because it's called Winter, it's not technically a Christmas candle. So I usually buy this every year and I burn it in January. And it just gives me all of that like lovely winter, like warm winter feelings. I love winter. It's actually my favorite season. I know everyone thinks I'm crazy when I say that, but yeah, I just really like winter, and this like really embodies like how I feel about winter. So I highly recommend this candle. I think you'll love it. Okay, the next one is Cinnamon Stick. This one is actually a favorite of my husband too. We discovered this one last year, probably again because Jaclyn Hill mentioned it. I don't know, I just take her candle recommendations, I guess. She has really good candle recommendations. So this one, I love it because it's not sweet, and so many of the Bath & Body Works candles just smell like vanilla or sugar, but this one does not. It's like a pure cinnamon scent that's very concentrated, and the throw is really good. So I love this one like right around Christmas time, but to be honest, we actually bought like 6 of these last year. Like I bought a few of them before Candle Day, which I broke my rule for, and then we went back on Candle Day and I swear I bought like another 5 of these. So this was like the scent of 2019 for us. But this year I stopped and I only bought 1. So I might regret having only bought the 1 of them because we love them so much. But this is a really good one and I highly recommend it. Next up, I have Island Papaya. I wanted to buy a few kind of summery scents. Winter in Canada lasts for half the year, and the first half of winter, I'm all about it. I'm into it. November, December, January, February, I'm so into winter. I'm all about the snow and the warm clothes and the scarves and the Christmas scents and everything like that. But by the time March and April come around and it's still winter, I'm kind of over it. We're all over it. And we just want to forget that it's still winter and it's still dark outside. So that's usually when I bring out my like more summery scented candles. So I did buy a few. The first one's Island Papaya. This is a new one to me, but it sounded good, so I was just going to give it a go. And it smells really nice. It smells like shampoo. Alright, next is a favorite from last year that it was an unexpected favorite, and it's called Island Margarita. We burned this right after we came back from Jamaica in February, and it was just the best. It's got such a good throw. It smells super fruity. It's like so tropical and wonderful, and I highly recommend it. It doesn't really smell like lemon. I'd say it's more like a peachy mango. But it does smell like a tropical drink, and I loved this so much. Everyone who came with me for Candle Day, there was like a group of 4 of us, everyone bought this because I was like, you have to get Island Margarita. It was the best candle. So we all got this. And again, I'm feeling kind of nervous about the fact that I just bought 1. I'm starting to feel like I might have to go back today and pick up more because I need another cinnamon stick and I probably need another Island Margarita too. Oops. Alright, next, I actually did buy 2 of these. This is the Stress Relief Eucalyptus Inspirement, which is my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works. And this scent is actually what drew me to Bath & Body Works to begin with several years ago. When I was in university and I was feeling very stressed out, I would basically like try anything to help my stress go away except manage my stress. So when I saw like the aromatherapy line at Bath & Body Works, I bought the roll-on oil that they used to have that you used to put on your wrist and then like kind of smell it while you're studying or while you're doing whatever. And yeah, that must have been like 10 years ago now. But I still love the scent and I still have it. So as long as they have it, I will buy it. And it is the Eucalyptus Inspirement. The next one is another one of those summery ones for March and April. This one is Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit, which again is new to me. So I love passion fruit. I'm so into passion fruit. It's actually, I would say, my favorite fruit. Yeah, and this one is just very fresh. Like it smells a little bit more fresh than Island Margarita. Island Margarita is like you being punched in the face with a mango. This one is a little bit more like like relaxing, like a relaxing fruity smell that's not as intense. But it almost smells like candy. It's got like a little bit of a candy kind of scent to it. So this one I'm looking forward to, but I have not tried it yet, so I will let you know if it's one of my favorites later on. Next, I bought another one of the aromatherapy candles, but this time I bought the lavender and cedarwood one. And this one is called Relax. And the reason I went with this one is because there's no particular time of year I feel like I need to burn it. I feel like I'm someone who really often ties my candles with how I'm feeling in the time of year. It's one of the ways that I enjoy the seasons is by having seasonal scents. But there are certain kind of awkward times of year where it's like, you know, it's too early for pumpkin spice, but it's too late for like mango or like a really summery popsicle scent. So, or something like that where I'm just like, I don't know what to burn. So for those in-between periods, I think it's good to have like some of these scents that you can burn any time of year. So I feel that way about the spearmint one, and then I also got lavender and cedarwood. It smells okay. I've never used this one before, but I figure why not. Alright. Now here is my other Eucalyptus Mint. It's got a little bit of the different tag. This is like the classic White Barn tag. It's a little bit less exciting, but it's got like a really nice green container. I really like when the candles inside are white. They like to make them weird colors sometimes, and I find that actually makes them tackier. I prefer the classic look of having them be white. Next, I have another new one to me, and I was really going back and forth. I was super disappointed that they didn't have the chocolate one that I always buy. It's called like Hot Cocoa or something, and I've bought that for the last 4 years, so I was really disappointed to see that they didn't have it this year. So I was looking for another substitute, and I didn't really, to be honest, I didn't really find it, because the Hot Cocoa one I actually burn every February. So now I don't know what I'm going to do for February. But I did end up getting another Christmas candle instead, and this one is called 'Tis the Season. Online it says it smells like apple pie with added fall scents of foliage. So I think it would be a mix of like an apple pie scent with like Leaves by Bath & Body Works, which is a really nice candle for the fall. Yeah, I have a good feeling about this one. I think it's going to be a really nice throw and a really good candle. But since it's called 'Tis the Season, I feel like I have to maybe use that one first because that's a definite Christmas candle. Whereas cinnamon stick you can do basically at any point in the winter, but it is the best around Christmas. This is one I got for my husband, and again, I was disappointed that they didn't have the coffee scented candle that he likes. I actually hate it. So maybe I'm not that disappointed. It gives me a headache, actually, that candle. But it's like a pure coffee scent. I forgot what it was called. It was called coffee something. But instead I got Paris Cafe, which is also a coffee scent, but it's actually not as bad. Online it says it is rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, and vanilla cream. So you can actually smell the brioche. Like, I'm actually surprised. Like, coffee is definitely the first thing you smell, like, when you smell this candle. But I'll have to let you know how the throw and burn is, because the other, like, I think that was the problem, was with the other coffee candle, the throw was really good. But unfortunately, sometimes I didn't want to smell coffee at nighttime. Like, it was weird. It was a weird candle. But my husband loved it. So he's going to be disappointed, but hopefully he likes Paris Cafe too. Lastly, you know what? I've just decided. I think this one is what I'm going to do for February. This is Flannel. It has a really cute design with like little mittens and snowflakes. So it's actually very February. February is usually the month that we go skating in Ottawa. We have the Rideau Canal. So we go skating and snowshoeing and really enjoy winter in February. So I think this might be the one I do. I'm having a hard time finding what this is supposed to smell like online, but I did get musky and bergamot as one of the descriptions. And that's about right. It smells like a man's cologne. Or no, it doesn't. It smells like a man's deodorant. And to be honest, I kind of love that. I like the smell of men's deodorant. So yeah, it is kind of a comforting scent in its own way. So, but this is one where like really you have to smell it. Like, don't order it online. I don't even know if you can order Bath and Body Works online. But if you could, don't. Like, because I'm not sure you'll love this. Maybe some guy had a deodorant that smelled like this and you hated him or something, and then you're not going to have a good time. So this one I'm not going to recommend. But I think I'm going to enjoy it in February. So that is everything that I bought, and I did spend $150. So it's interesting that I'm here like, oh, I didn't get enough. Like, I need to go back and buy more. But I don't know. Is 11, because I'm giving one away, is 11 candles enough for a whole year? What do you think? Thank you for watching my video. What's your favorite candle from Bath & Body Works? Let me know down below.